a building which looks like a Mamluk building with alternating colors of stones.
Yes.
We call it Abla, right?
Yeah.
So is it a Mamluk building? No, it isn't.
No.
It is an imitation, a Turkish imitation of Mamluk style. And this is the old Saraya of Akko. Saraya is a place where the governor would reside. Okay? Why do you need a Saraya? Because this is a place where the center of government resides. Like in Jaffa, like in Jerusalem, every Ottoman city had its own Saraya. So this is the Saraya, and it's definitely not Mamluk. How do I know that? Even without knowing the history of this specific building?
The stamp,
What?
the stamp of the Ottoman.
Yes, there's an inscription in Turkish. Yeah, that's right, but that's not necessarily the case
Maybe the case of the.
because
The pointing arch.
no, because it could be added. Who knows?
Ah.
But it's definitely not Mamluk, because in the Mamluk period, the entire coastal plain is devastated.
Yeah.
Remember, this is the policy.
He
of
destroyed
Baybars.
it.
He destroys everything. He doesn't build something in the coastal plain. So that's why it can't be Mamluk by definition. And I don't see the rest of the group. Maybe they took the wrong turn.
No problem.
Which is also fine. I'm satisfied with small groups.
They went to the sea.
In China, I was with 9 people. A group of
بزروس تغني عليها عايزة
ايه.
بزروس تغني
That's a plan to keep.
Haman Turkey, I'll meet you there in 20 minutes. To wait for the Nigerian lady.
Okay, can you see this? Can you see this?
Yes.
It's not important. Look up there.
Neither.
You see the window?
It's not even important.
That's important.
Oh, that's important.
Because this is the precise place where the explosives were put in on May 4th, 1947. So this is the citadel, this is the fortress, and walking around the country. Therefore, that must be what? What is this there for? Something with an H and ending with hammam. Yes, that's a hammam. And this is the arch. So as telephone technicians, they had to bring a ladder. That's why they thought about this idea, and this is where they did it. Okay? Yes. And there's a telephone wire here till this day. Okay, wonderful. Let's go.
شو تساووا لهلا كل الوقت؟
رحنا على الباص.
ليش
على الباص. دخل ورانا.
الله يهديك.
هذا من الاخر.
ليش بحكيش شيء؟ تزعجوا اللي بتحمل.
If you don't have amenity at all on the chair or on the ground, for example, two scenes before four part and then
قديش عددنا أنا؟
زدنا 24 صفين شو أخبارك؟
Are we 23 guys? Yes. Okay, so student on duty.
Student on duty.
طب هاي هذه بس وين السبعة؟
رائد. هيسيدك. رائد.